nice. It's lovely working with him, and obviously he's Hrithik Roshan. He's very talented. I would love to work with him as well in a feature.
Okay, next question.
Actually, initially Yo-Yo Honey Singh, who has worked with me so much, and उन्होंने एक बार मुझे बताया कि I have read an interview long back, बहुत पुराना एक पापा का interview था जो I think उन्होंने पढ़ा था, and he told me कि his favorite song was धीरे धीरे. Do you know that? I said कि मुझे गाने तो उनके बहुत सारे favorite थे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे is his most favorite song. I didn't know about it. So he told me that I've read it and I want to dedicate that song to him and I want to do it in my style, today's style. And वहाँ से idea generate हुआ and then he composed a beautiful song, merging धीरे धीरे with it, and it came out very well. And then I wanted to put it on a big star, so I went to Hrithik and I played the song. He loved the song and then he said, "Why should I do it?" So I told him the reason. Okay, it's for my father. It was his favorite song, and I wanted to do it in his memory. And instantly he said yes to it. And I'm very, very thankful to him. He agreed to be a part of such a great song, which is loved by my father all his life, which what was I've told. And then, of course, Sonam, she said yes on the phone only. So I sent her the, yeah, actually. So I want to thank the entire team, means Ahmed Khan, Mr. Neeraj Roy, and Hrithik, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Sonam, to be a part of this video. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here. Hope you like the song. What I want to say is that I think this is really more of a celebration of love, a son and a father's story. Bhushan is really a very powerful man. He doesn't show it, but he's powerful because he's a very emotional man. And some people use the power of strength. He uses the power of heart. And which is amazing because when he came to me, I was just so touched with what he said to me. He said that he wants to do this for his father as a tribute. And it was just so sincere, and I identified with that. And I was just so happy to do it. Most inspiring journeys that we have in our histories. And Bhushan, it's incredible because he has taken that and he has driven it further into greater heights. And I think that is absolutely amazing, Bhushan. What you are and what you do and how you do it is absolutely incredible. Even as a producer, he made us work 16 hours a day for 2 days.
One day, right?
Both the days. 16 hours, and he did not even need to say please. Because you can't say no to the man.
He was there
just
on set.
smiling like that, so humble. So you can't say no to him. It's like you got to stop using that here. It's like difficult. But no, we had a great time in Antalya. I just want to say that we all are here. Sonam, myself, Ahmed, who's not here, but here, I guess, in spirit right now. All of us as a team here as a symbol of Bhushan's love for his father. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
For the beautiful words.
You know, आपने बताया कि video shoot करते हैं आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा. But working with Sonam, how was the whole experience?
Working with Sonam was, it's my second time working with her, and I think we just had a ball here. Ahmed actually had to kind of, distract us from our conversations, and we were laughing half the time. So it was just very joyful, and I think that is what Sonam brings onto a set, because she's always got that smile on her face. It's like 100-watt, it radiates, and it just spreads across the ambience, and it's great fun. Yeah. I like to work with her. I think we should do a film together.
Generally I've seen you always super bikes or cars. This time a bicycle. How was that transition? It's like a paradigm shift. From sports cars and bikes. I still remember about, you once said you had a BMX bike also that you used to love the most. So how was the whole experience recreating your bike moment?
I think it was pretty sweet. Yeah, I think it very cute. I thought if I do this, then maybe it looks so cute that girls will like me more when they see this. I think it's a very endearing thing to do in a suit and stuff. Yeah, so I did it for my personal reasons that with this, yeah.
So how is it working with Hrithik Roshan? I mean, every time you see him, there's this euphoria around him with people going crazy about him. कैसे था ये experience इनके साथ काम करना?
Well, he's a hot guy. Felt good. He's feeling really hot right now. But it's nice, right? When like a really good-looking, charming, funny, nice guy, I think that's an operative word, is romancing you, even if it's like fake and on screen. It feels good. It feels good. So it was fun. Yeah. So it's nice. So it's lovely working with him, and obviously he's Hrithik Roshan. He's very talented, and I would love to work with him as well in a feature.
Okay, next question.
You don't want me to say nice things about you?
Okay, go on.
Yeah. Go on. Can I go on? No, I mean, I think it's amazing working with him because you have all these like preconceived notions, so you'd be like really scared to work with someone who's like this huge mega star. And I think the only other mega star that I've worked with is Salman Khan. And the amazing thing about him is that he's really relaxed and casual, and I like the way he treats the people around him. There are a lot of people who kind of are not very kind to people, like because they think they're so much bigger than everybody else. I think he's really normal and humble, and there's a lot of humility there, and he's really open to everything and everybody, and that's really like not very it's a very unusual quality in people who have seen so much success in life. So I think that's pretty incredible. And that only makes a person grow.
Hrithik and Sonam, why haven't...
No, it was great, and I really wanted to do this song as well. I really like this song, and my family's had a really long association with T-Series. We've, and it was amazing, and thank you. I think this is a really cool song, and I think it'll do really, really well again in the yo-yo. I never understood that. Why yo-yo? And he's saying in his version as well, so. It's cool.
The question is to the both of you. What are your earlier memories of this original version of the song?
I think what I remember is going completely crazy about the entire album of the film, Aashiqui. And it kind of became a rage at that time. And Dheere Dheere, I remember, was one of my favorite songs. At that point of time, it became like a kind of a phase in life. You know how you have a memory of a certain song that identifies a phase in your life. So yeah, that's my association with it.
Sonam, yours?
Can she answer her question, please? First.
I was 4 years old. When the song came out, so I don't have much of a memory, but I love like retro music, and so whenever I heard it when I was like a bit older, I really, really loved the song, and I thought Anu Agarwal, I think she was, and I thought she was really styled beautifully in the film. If you go back to it, it's quite gorgeous, and she was really elegant, and obviously the music was really, really beautiful. So I love that song, and it's you reminisce about like those days, and I know there's a sequence where he's walking on the parapet on Juhu, and I was like, oh my God, you could shoot there, and the beach looks completely empty. When you see the video, I was like, oh, that's how Juhu used to actually look like. So it brings back old memories, but I mean, that was when I heard it when I was much older.
इस गाने को अगर किसी को आप डेडिकेट करना चाहें, धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, तो आप दोनों किस को डेडिकेट करेंगे ये गीत?
यार फिलहाल मेरी जिंदगी में तो ऐसा कोई नहीं है that I can dedicate this song to, but जब होगा तो I will tell you.
Ditto. I'm single and very ready to mingle right now.
नहीं कोई भी हो सकता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई particular.
I mean, he's dedicating it to his dad, so I think that's
it's appropriate to say we all are dedicating this to his father.
Yeah.
जी, मिस्टर कुमार आपसे भी सवाल था कि ये जब आशिकी एल्बम आई थी, इसके सारे गाने सुपर डुपर हिट हैं. आपका कोई पर्टिकुलर गाना या पिताजी ने आपको कोई गाना बताया हो जिसका जिक्र आप करना चाहें आज?
एक्चुअली पापा ने मुझे ये फर्स्ट एल्बम मतलब मुझे पर्सनली रिलीज से पहले, उस टाइम रिलीज से पहले सुनने का बहुत क्रेज़ होता था. तो मुझे बिकॉज माय फादर वाज द ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी, तो 15-20 दिन पहले ही मुझे कैसेट्स मिल जाती थी. उस टाइम कैसेट होती थी, आई थिंक सीडी नहीं आई थी. तो ये कैसेट मुझे आज भी याद है. आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग विद हिम टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड ही प्लेड मी दिस साउंड ट्रैक. सारे गाने उन्होंने मुझे प्ले किए थे एंड ही वॉज सो श्योर अबाउट दिस कि ये एल्बम विल बी लाइव फॉर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ईयर्स. And that's what's happening. It's 25 years of Ashiki and music is still doing so well. Means till today we sell the original Ashiki.
I just want to ask you one question because भूषण सर ने ये जो गाना डेडिकेट किया है अपने डैड को किया है एंड यू आर वेल नोन कि आप भी अपने डैड के बहुत डियर हो. तो जब आप ये शूट कर रहे थे, आप दोनों ही शूट कर रहे थे, आपको अपने डैड का कितना रिमेम्बरेंस है माइंड में?
यार मेरे सामने there was Sonam, so Dad was absolutely not there.
Dad was not there.
Not there at all.
मतलब उस टाइम के लिए डैड चले गए और बाद में डैड याद आए.
आपको मुझे लगता है आपको अपने डैड की बहुत याद आ रही है.
बिल्कुल सर बिल्कुल. जाहिर सी बात है आप यंगस्टर्स के लिए इतनी बड़ी इंस्पिरेशंस हो, तो आप अगर अपने डैड के इतने क्लोज हैं तो आपको देखने के बाद हम अपने डैड क्लोज तो रहेंगे करेंगे.
No, that's very sweet. But नहीं, इस गाने के दौरान I did not think about my father at all. Yeah.
आपके दिमाग में ये दोनों कैरेक्टर थे जब आप ये गाना बन रहा था, जैसे ऋतिक रोशन और सोनम कपूर, जब भी गाने की रिक्रिएशन की बात हो रही थी हनी सिंह से, तो ये दोनों लोग थे उस समय आपके?
नहीं, उस समय नहीं थे. उसके बाद हमने जब गाना बन गया उसके बाद डिसाइड किया था.
There was a scene where Sonam is telling you that particular wardrobe is not matching you, and he's doing like this. Did you find any resemblance with your first movie where you, when you met Amisha for the first time in the scene, and you said this one is not looking nice, and you did like this? Did you find any resemblance?
I said I don't like the car. I prefer a bicycle. That's what I said. I didn't think about it.
But did you remember any scene or any?
No. But now I did. Thanks.
Thank you.
Why is Honey Singh not around? I mean, is he all right? We have not seen him in the limelight for a long time.
See, he's not keeping too well, but he has sent his best wishes for the song today.
So what's wrong with him? What is wrong with his health?
No, he's just not well. Means that is his personal thing. Means I can't disclose that here. But he's improving day by day, and he just spoke to me in the morning to wish me best of luck for the song, because this song is his very, very close song to him. So that's why he just sent me the good wishes.
And who will we see opposite Hrithik in Ashiki 3?
What? Ashiki 3? You want me to do it? Okay, I'll think about it.
So is it finalized? Bhushan ji? Bhushan sir, आपका जवाब?
We are working.
See, I've loved him so much as a producer that I myself have gone to him and said that you have to produce a film for me now. So let him think, give him some time.
Hrithik, Bang Bang 2 is happening, but you're not there. Lots of fans are disappointed, so what do you have to say?
What do I say? Why they didn't take me, I don't know. Ask them.
Just continuing that thing, there is a buzz that you have been approached for Nikhil Advani's next, but you haven't given the nod yet for that. So, no.
I'll tell you after we talk about Dheere Dheere.
I have had one film, which Ranjana was 100 crores, right? Bhag Milkha. Yeah, I don't even remember what numbers my films do because I really don't think about it too much. Yeah, but I guess, I don't know. I hope whatever, it does well for the producers. And I'm doing another film with Fox, so it better do well for the producers. I don't know, man. I've just worked hard and I hope it does well. It's Salman Khan. I'm sure it's going to open to some ridiculous figures. No, I think you're talking about another actress. People get confused a lot of the times. I don't know why. But I'm doing just 2 films right now. I'm doing Prem Ratan and I'm doing Neerja, and both of them are with Fox. And yeah, I'm set for the next 1 year at least. After that, God knows.
एक और फिल्म है तुम बिन, उसके गाने भी लोग आज बहुत मिस करते हैं, और अनुभव सर ने भी कहा था कि उसकी सीक्वल्स को लेकर कुछ मतलब बातें हैं क्या?
अभी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट धीरे, तो आई थिंक उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे जब हम अनाउंस करेंगे.
उसकी उम्मीद करें हम लोग कि मतलब उसकी सीक्वल पॉसिबल है?
जरूर कर सकते हैं, आपकी उम्मीद पे मैं तो रोक नहीं डाल सकता.
और अच्छा, और इस गाने के जो मतलब अल्फाज थे, बोल थे, उनमें एक डीप थॉट्स, डीप मीनिंग मतलब थे, तो इसे आपने हनी सिंह के थ्रू ही क्यों मतलब रिक्रिएट करने की सोची?
जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि ये हनी सिंह का आइडिया था कि इस गाने को वो अपने स्टाइल में, आज के स्टाइल में करेंगे, तो इसलिए उन्होंने थोड़ा अपने स्टाइल में इनको चेंज करके, लिरिक्स चेंज करके और ट्यून थोड़ी सी चेंज करके उन्होंने ये गाने को कंपोज किया है. एंड आई थिंक मीन्स एवरीबडी इज लाइकिंग इट, सो it's still meaningful.
How true is this news that you've been approached for a YRF film opposite Deepika?
Little bit true. Very, very, very little bit. Which part is true, I can't.
Ritik, how are you taking your link up with Kangana Ranaut? Would you like to say anything?
Oh my God, mind
Just
blowing.
said he was singer.
Any song of mine only, which I want to recreate? I don't know, yeah. Kauna Pyare, okay, why not?
He danced really well in that. Why do you want him to dance again on it?
She's happy with what we have.
I was quite happy with
She doesn't.
it.
Okay.